Hello guys, it's Ashkan. Because it was so much good day and all of my analysis was correct, same as before. So I've just decided to record a video about the reason of the entry, reason of the analysis and everything. And maybe this could help you in your trading. Okay, I will start with the gold that I've entered the market in that area. I'm still in the position. I've just closed 50% of it. If the H1 candle or H4 candle close below this area, even this area will be perfect because this area is like a decision point. This line wick area. Okay, around this area is so much strong and we should be careful of it. Maybe just tap it and then back up as a fake out. So for now, if the H1 candle or at H4 candle close below this area, it has a chance to completely going down to this area. Why have entered in that area? If you remember, about 2 days ago, I think, or it was yesterday, I don't know. I've just talked about the goal. I've told you guys the game plan will be just we should just see a breakout, and then after that we could enter the market. As you see, I've drawn these two lines. So, at morning I saw the price it just made a high, made a low, made a lower high, and it just like an equal one, and just make a lower high again. So it was like a sign for me, maybe that it's gonna go up, go down. So I've just draw for myself. Let me just draw this one. Okay, I've drawn something like this trend line. I've saw it was like a pullback, and I've just waited to see a breakout from this low because it was like a base. I just there maybe just tap to this area and then going up. But I've saw the momentum in a lower time frame, so I went for still in that area when I saw a low than here. And after that, I knew that it's gonna go down. So first of all, my target was around that area. But in the lower time frame, when I saw the momentum, do you see, guys? It just made something like a base in that area at the below of this area. Okay, I've told myself, okay, gonna go down. So after that, I've saw this candle, and after the boom, it just completely went down. So this is exactly how I've saw the market and what's happened. So for now, because in about more than 15 minutes, the next H4 candle will be happen, I think. And the H1 candle will be happen. So for now, if the price could stay below this area, it has a chance to go down to this number for now. So let's see what's gonna be happen. Let's go to another trade that I've took at the GU. Oh god, guys, it's around my target. I've closed partial at this area, but it's just more than 22 pips. I've put my alert in that area for second partial. Let me close partial again and be back. Just wait a minute. Okay, I've closed partial. Oh, it's gonna go down. It's about more than 24 pips in profit. It's okay. Sometimes, it's so much hard to accept it while you close at the 13 pips. It's okay. It's a market. You should be happy. You have a chance to take that amount of pips, and you do not have any drawdown. You do not have any loss. It's okay. But my runner, I've just closed another 10%. I have like about 7-8% now. Okay, so why I took this position? I've saw the price at the 15-minute, honestly, that price is just coming down. We have something like a FTR area and like a broken base area. So but I see the price made something like a low in here and candle close below up this area. I went to the higher time frame at the M15. I saw the M15 candle close like this area, and it was like a broken base. I waited the price coming up to this area. Immediately when it tapped to this area, I went for sell. My stop loss like about 10 pips. My target was about this area as a flip zone. But why have closed partial? Because this area, around this area in lower time frame, we have something like a base area. So I've closed at about 13 pips, and it was good. For now, it has a chance because this area, as you see now, we have this flip zone exactly around this area. Okay, around this area we have this flip zone, so it's so much strong. Maybe the price coming up a little bit and then back down, or if it closes below this area, it has a target to go to this area. Okay, let's go to the AUDUSD. Okay, So if you remember, guys, at the channel, I've told you guys the price, if this area will be decision point, but if it wanna go up, it has a tough situation. I'll just give you something like a sign that I'm just looking for sell. So in that area, when I've sell, the price is just making something like a base, broken, tap to the FTB to the base area, and then made a low down here, and I've sell the momentum. And because I know that USDCAD gonna go up, so your AUDUSD should going down. Okay, so in that area, I've sold at a risky position. My stop was like about 13 pips around that area. Yeah, around that area, and my target was about more than 15 pips, so I've closed partial in that area. For now, I'm about more than 20 pips in profit, and my second target will be this area. As you see, guys, it's so much strong that because I've put my alert in that area, so if price coming down to this area, I will around that area. I will close partial again around more than 24 pips will be enough. I will close partial again. So because this area is so much strong, maybe just tap to this area and then back exactly same as the plan. Okay, back to this area. If you have a confirmation, I will re-enter around this area again. So this will be the AUDUSD and USDCAD. At the H1, guys, my entry was exactly base of the H4. I've saw the price, it just made a high the base area and then back like a FTB, and we have a good bullish candle in that area, exactly based of the rules of the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. I waited for retracement in a lower time frame. After this candle close around, it was like this situation, guys. We have something like that, price coming down, up, down to this area, and then went up. You know, guys, we have something like a base, up, down, and then went up. So I've entered the market in that area because we just make a higher high, as you see, guys. So I've entered, and I'm in about more than 42 pips in profit. But for now, this area will be so much strong. It looks like a QM area. So in that area, maybe I've closed partial again. So this will be the USDCAD, and the last one will be the awesome and cool and perfect and as the USD. I've told you at the channel exactly. I've told you guys in that area I will search for a sell. So price come up to this area and tap it, and it was so much easy, guys. And this it just went down completely. It just back to the stronger area. So it's so much strong. Maybe just back up. We should be careful of it. All of the USD pair or against pair of USD has same situation. We should know that. Maybe all of them follow each other. So this was so much clear. Base. What's happening? Okay, so the base happened, made a low back FTB to the base area, and then completely back down. So I just wish this help you in your trading. This channel could help you. If you have any question, you could ask me. God bless you all.